Okay, keep talking. I'm recording you. Go by.
That's okay.
So we just finished leaving Baker Creek. Heading back. Rob's shooting in the lead. I'll catch up to him. There we go. We're on the 1A. Bye, Rob. Quick pass me.
We're heading back about 3 hours from here.
What a gorgeous day.
Perfect. We're at what, 31 miles?
We are just finishing our 30th mile, 50 kilometers. A little downhill here, so it's not hard. Hey Rob, so tell me what you thought of Resident Evil.
I thought it was terrible. Do I need to do a movie review right now?
Sure. Let's make this a really good video as we're cruising along. So the reviews always give it a 1 out of 5. It's well deserved, the 1 out of 5.
Well, do I have to give it like 1, or can I go with 0 or a half?
I don't even go with that. So I'm just shooting up. We're going by Castle Mountain here, which is what I'm focusing on there. So Rob and I got as far as 27 miles.
6 miles shy of Lake Louise.
Yeah, so 6 miles shy of Lake Louise. So 27 miles would make it 44 kilometers, so the return trip is 88 kilometers.
Not bad. But that meal we had was awesome.
And a great stop at Baker Creek Chalets. What a great place.
We got to see some larches.
And the larch pictures would be cool.
Yeah, I'm still picking larch out of my hair.
Oh, I'm getting your shadow too. This is good. So today is Saturday, September 23rd, right? 22nd. 22nd.
22nd, yeah.
All right, over and out.